Can you make helicopter escaping volcanic eruption? Yes. Go to Base Labs, choose Albedo Base XL, then Explosion XL, enable upscale, then write this helicopter flying through explosion in volcanic eruption. Eruption, yes, eruption. Then for images, portrait and then generate. Wow!